Hello everyone, welcome back to Anybody Can Trade ABCT. And yes, trading is simple if you keep it simple. So today, based upon our Telegram and YouTube channel poll results, the topic we are going to discuss is trading psychology, as you might have seen in the description also. So traders, here is our today's content. I am going to keep it short and sweet and most effective. Like I am going to cover like what is trading psychology, understanding of trading psychology, and the important steps to control it. And the third and the most important is Brahmastra to eliminate all these trading psychology issues permanently. So watch till the end. Don't miss. Definitely this the third and the last Brahmastra to eliminate trading psychology problems is going to help you a lot, and trust me, watch till the end. So what is trading psychology? As you can see in the pie chart, trading psychology is a very important factor in our intraday trading because it is weighs almost 50%, and the remaining factors, as you can see, trust strategy is only 20% and all. So trading psychology is nothing but a mental state, or you can call your emotions or the thinking power that dictates our decision making skills. So if we are having a good mental state or we are having good emotional control, then definitely we take a good trading decisions. Instead of reacting to a situation, we will respond to the situation, and this all depends upon our trading psychology. So trading psychology is primarily characterized as the confluence of greed and fear, and these are the two key factors where our trading psychology gets affected. So, how to understand like what is our trading psychology problem? So, what I will suggest you traders is whatever the problem you are facing, whatever the problem that is affecting your trading psychology, you just note it down or write it down anywhere. If you are like old school guy, you write in a book. If you want to note it down on a laptop or a computer, you note it anywhere, like what is that point that is hurting or affecting your trading psychology. Definitely if you note it down or write it down, it is going to solve 50% of your problem. So also you need to understand that trading is a game of probabilities. There is nothing called 100% in trading, because people come and they expect that whenever they take any trade, they want the result in their favor only. So there is nothing like that. You need to accept the bitter truth of trading, that is trading is a game of probabilities only. Here only probabilities work. There is nothing called 100%. And also trading is a journey. There is no full stop to success in trading. So traders, with this I remember a dialogue from my favorite star Mahesh Babu, Maharshi movie. So I will just show you the clip. Do watch, don't miss.
Success is not a destination. Success is a journey.
So Tatas, why I showed you this clip from the movie is because what happens usually after 4 to 5 successful trades, people start thinking that yes, they have cracked the market, now they are successful in trading, and they start taking market grantedly. So that is where the market teaches lessons. After again 4 to 5 successful trades, if there are continuously again 3 to 4 loss-making trades, then definitely your psychology gets disturbed. So that is why never think that trading you have achieved success. There is no destination to success in trading. So that is what the dialogue from the movie also. So trading success is again a journey only. So market is very dynamic. We need to keep adjusting ourselves, and we always respect market, and market is always superior. And traders, trust me, to come to this level, even I have also faced a lot of psychological issues, and it takes a time to become a mature trader. And again here I'm using mature trader, not successful trader. Even I also feel that and there is nothing called success, 100% success in trading. So to reach a certain maturity level, it takes time. So never lose hopes or doubt yourself. Have faith, keep working, write down your psychological problems you are facing and work on them. Definitely today or tomorrow you will overcome from those problems. So today's steps to control our trading psychology. Trust me, this point, whatever the points I'm going to discuss, it is going to help you a lot. This you will never get in any of the trading psychology related YouTube videos or anything. So please listen to it carefully. So two steps to control it is learn or develop a good trading strategies which have a good winning percentage. I'm not telling you to learn from me only. You can learn from anybody, or you can develop your own good strategies also. But it should have a good winning percentage. A good winning percentage solves most of the problems. Trust me, if you see more greens in a month than red, then definitely it will change your psychology and it will help you to solve most of the problems. And what I suggest is once you define your strategies, once you develop your strategies, what happens? It is common that people think that again they take granted, even though you have built your strategies on your own, you sometimes you may miss one or 2 points. So what I suggest is do revision of those strategies multiple times, literally until and unless you see them in your dreams. Because doing revision is so important that, frankly speaking, I had a privilege to meet one of the IAS officer who is from whom I know from a long distance friend. So he told me that for IAS preparation, everyone does hard work, go to coaching classes, and do everything. But the problem they face is they never do the good revision. A good revision helps them in achieving good success. So that is why I am telling you do revision multiple times until and unless it is inherited in your mind. So once you are perfect with your strategies, do back testing on last 4 to 6 month charts, and that too minimum 2 hours of back testing every day. Frankly speaking, traders, once you build strategies, once they are inherited in your brain and start doing back testing, the back testing will help you in eliminating taking completely unwanted trades. Because after training your mind for continuously 2 hours to 3 hours or whatever the time you do the back testing, it will help you in like avoiding taking unwanted trades. Just when you start back testing and when you come to the live market, you will just keep on observing, and you will start thinking that yes, the market movement, there are movements in the market is going up, but I am not seeing any of my pattern, because your mind is trained like a machine because of the back testing whatever you have done. So then automatically it helps you in avoiding taking unwanted trades, and you will start automatically taking trades based upon your the whatever you have learned or the strategies you have developed. And once you are done with your back testing and you have noted down all the back testing results, start taking trades with small quantity to build your confidence. You may incur some problems in your strategies you build. You are not going to achieve immediately a good maturity even after doing all the steps. You may face some other problems in your strategies, whatever you have built or whatever you have learned. Again, what you have to do is you have to note down the problems you are facing in the live market and go back to your back testing results, or if required, do a back testing once again, and if required, if you are facing the same problem multiple times, then tweak your strategies according to market situations. Definitely traders, it is going to help you a lot, because trading is very good for making good money. So but it requires a lot of hard work and a lot of R&D is required in this. And trust me, traders, never take any trade in FOMO, because of this FOMO, even frankly speaking, I lost a lot of money. We take entry in FOMO, even though if there is no breakout, then we wait for it to come back to our level, and doing such things, we lose money. And again, it's we start taking revenge trades and all. This FOMO is the major problem actually I have faced in my trading career. So, and also never trade a setup where you have a self doubt. See, if you are having a self doubt in any setup, what makes is even though if it is a good setup, whatever you have developed or learned, but you will not be able to hold any small movements in the trade. If it goes slightly against you, you will start getting fear and you will exit the position. Or if it slightly goes in our direction, then we will book our profits immediately. And again, it disturbs our trading psychology. So never take trade when you are having a self doubt in any of the strategies you have learned or developed, because if you have doubt, take a note of such doubtful trades, and if required, do the back testing again and then take trades depending accordingly. Definitely, traders, as I mentioned, good psychology comes with good discipline and hard work. Trust me, only these are the two key factors which are going to help you to overcome your trading psychology issues. And the third and the most important point of the day in trading psychology is the Brahmastra to kill all the trading psychology problems is risk management. Because trading psychology is directly proportional to risk management. And even I was really surprised to see the poll results because very few people have opted for risk management. But that is why I always say that risk management is most underrated in trading. But it is the most important bridge that is between your trading strategy and the trading psychology. That is the bridge like connecting the two key nodes of the trading. Your risk management defines your trading psychology. Frankly speaking, why? Because risk management is directly proportional to is your trading psychology. Is whenever you just think of yourself, whenever you see a good green day, like in a profit day, the you will have a good psychology for rest of the day. If you have incurred some losses in your trading, and for the next half of the day, literally your mood will be off, or you will having little dull moments and all. On the contrary, if you are having a good profitable day, then definitely you will be having the rest of the day with good cherishing moments and all. So that is why like risk management in trading defines your uh, trading psychology. I will just show you on my chart like how trading psychology is defined by risk management. See, like I mentioned, there is nothing called 100% in trading. So suppose you are seeing a cup and handle pattern like this, and you have taken your entry at this level. So what we do usually is we take entry with our full quantity, and we are waiting for the target, like whatever the pattern target or the next resistance or something like that. But what happens in between, market reverses and comes and hits our stop loss. Definitely, your psychology gets so much disturbed that oh, the trade was good, everything was good, but even though it reversed and hit our stop loss, and it may happen continuously for 2 to 3 days also. In such situations, what happens is your psychology gets disturbed, or you will start doubting your strategies only. So listen to me carefully, traders. There is nothing called 100% in trading. It's a game of probability, which I have already explained to you. And also, the other mistake what we do is while taking the profit, even though the profit target is here, we start trailing our stop loss from this level, or close to any resistance or close to our patterns. But while taking stop loss, what we do, we give complete full stop loss. But while taking profit, we do conjugacy. We start immediately locking up, start telling our profits and all. But while giving stop loss, we give complete this big stop loss. So that is where your risk management skills come. If you are taken a trade with around 10 lots from or for a target of this level, and if the market reverses from this level, best way to give method is not giving your complete stop loss. You have to reduce your losses, then only you are going to achieve success in trading. For example, I will tell you what happened on this last Friday. Frankly speaking, as you know, you might have seen my reel and updated Telegram channel. I took a trade for our gap opening strategy when we got a good closing above this candle. And what happened immediately? You know very well that market is at all-time high, and immediately market reversed from after my close to retest entry. I took around this level, and immediately market reversed. And what happened? This candle, 11:55 candle, came and closed inside the days range, days high, and also closed below this breakout candle. Here what I did is immediately I booked my 30% of the lots. I don't want to take a risk. Even though my stop loss is here, around 30 points is our stop loss, and around stop loss is around this level. What I did is I did not, I thought this is very dangerous. So it has come inside the days range and also closed below the this breakout candle. I started my risk management from this level only. I am fine with less profits. I don't I want good profits every day or nothing like that. My preference is I want to save my capital, even though small profit is okay for me. Here I booked 30% of the quantity. Then I waited, and around this level again it was market had spent a long time for coming this level, and there was no much premium in the momentum in the premium also. And again I asked to book some lots here, and again whatever I did is risk management. So this is how how we trail our profits. I will not say that trailing SL is different trailing our profits. Actually we trail our profits, but while giving stop loss we give complete stop loss. So from now onwards, just think like you are not trailing your stop loss, you are trailing your profits. Just like that, you trail your stop loss. If the stop loss is at this level, you split your stop loss, reduce your risk. Even though a small profit is good, and definitely this will help you a lot, guys. So Tadas, thank you for helping me to reach first 100 subscribers on YouTube. With your support and love, I have reached that a small milestone. So that is why I thought to share my knowledge in trading in whatever the way which can help you in enhancing your trading skills. And also, if you're still not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to like and comment. And if you're also interested in joining with me and learn and earn with me, then you can join the Telegram channel. The link is here. So thank you very much, traders. Have a nice weekend. See you all tomorrow.